Hey guys, happy Thursday. I'm here with a tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this pop of green look we got going on here. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. And thank you guys so much for the love and support. It really means so much to me. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Araceli. If you guys aren't subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and please hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I make a future video. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in Eden. Next, I am taking my Eco Tools flat eyeshadow brush, and it's an oldie but goodie. I've had it for so long now. And we're going to take this Naked Basics Urban Decay palette, and we're going to go in with the color Venus, and we are going to put that on the brow bone. And what that is going to do is going to make the eyeshadow pop. And just blend, blend, blend away. Make that brow bone just stand out. Basically, you're just highlighting your brow bone. Next, we are going in with the BH Cosmetics Fluffy Blending Brush. It is one of my favorites. We're going to go in with the color Naked 2, and we're going to put that in the crease, and we're going to blend, 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 and make sure you tap that excess off and blend. And it's okay if you get a little bit messy in the crease area. It's totally fine because we're just going to add more color to that to blend everything together so you're good to go. Then we are taking our Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-Hour eyeshadow in the color Edgy Emerald. It's like green teal color, and what we're going to do is focus it on the lid, and I'm taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow flat brush. As you guys can see, I was having trouble placing that on the lid for some reason. So I had to grab my makeup setting spray and spray it on the pod because I don't know what the heck was going on. So as you guys can tell, I started having so much of a struggle with this eyeshadow. I don't know if it was the color or what, but it'd get sheer and then patchy. It was just a struggle, but I made it work. So just pack that color on the lid. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Fluffy Blending Brush, and I'm taking the color Faint in the Basics palette, and I'm just going to focus this on the crease area and just making sure you darken that corner out. And blend, blend, blend is the key, as you guys can see. And I'm cracking up because my fiance is cracking jokes. But anyways, I'm just focusing that faint color on my crease area and smoking that baby out. Just pack, pack, pack.
You doing great?
You're doing great. Focus for me.
Freshen up. You got her powder. Tell her, Lala.
Going in with my Wet n Wild Drinking a Glass of Shine palette, I am going to go in with that green color, and I'm going to pack that green color on my lid on top of the 24-Hour Shadow by Maybelline. And as you guys can see, I'm laughing my ass off. And here I go again, packing that green from the Wet n Wild palette. Just pack, pack, pack to make it more vibrant and make that lid pop. Taking the brown color in the Wet n Wild palette, I am taking that Wet n Wild blending brush. Sorry, I almost forgot what brush I was using. The fluffy brush, and I am going to pack that on the crease to make it more of a smoky eye but not quite, if you know what I mean. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of trying to match it up. I just felt like one eye was darker than the other, so I had to add some more shadow to the other side. But as you guys can see, it's coming out super smoky. Next, I'm going in with this like creamy, a slight pinky tone ish shadow, and all I'm gonna do is just blend that all on the crease, just to blend everything together and not have it look so smoky. I guess it just kind of tones that smoke look down just a bit, and just blend all that together. Then going in with my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, a clean one, just blend everything out, make sure there's no harsh lines, and I just love blending everything just so it looks more clean. And of course, I'm finally gonna put my lashes on camera. I don't think I ever put my lashes on camera before. Not that I can remember. But anyways, these lashes are by Ardell. These are the Wispies. These are one of my favorites on top of the Kiss Ritzy lashes. But these are the Ardell Wispies. They're super natural looking. And the glue I used is by Ardell as well, and it's the clear adhesive. And yeah, you guys, I'm just kind of, letting the glue dry and get tacky before I add it on my eyeballs. And one of the tricks that I like to use is grab any liquid eyeliner, and what I like to do is basically go over any glue that you see that has dried up, and I just cover it with liquid eyeliner. Last but not least, we have the CoverGirl Peacock Mascara. Add that to your lashes and boom, you are set to go. And that is it. See you guys next time.